Hi, my name is Mia Terzic, and today I'll be showing you an overview of the Sequoia website. The first thing you want to do is go in your search engine and type in sequoiahs.org. Here's the homepage for the Sequoia website where you can find all your basic resources, such as announcements and upcoming events. So if you'd want to see the revised 2020 to 2021 instructional calendar, you would come here. Next to the Home tab, we have the Department tab. This is basically all the programs at Sequoia, from administration to world languages, and this is where you look in your basic information about each course. For example, if we'd want to look at English now, we could see all about Sequoia's English department, all its basic information, the 2020 summer reading assignments, and all the English teachers' names and their contacts. Next to the Department tab, we have the About tab. The About tab is all the core information about Sequoia, so if you'd like to learn more information about our high school, you would come here. From the bell schedule to the school profile, you have many things to look at. The Parents and Community tab is especially important if you're a parent or an individual looking for more involvement in Sequoia, or just looking for more information about things such as the IB program. This is the tab you'd come to. These tabs will link you to all the resources you need for this topic. Next to the Parents and Community tab, we have the Policies tab. All students should acknowledge this page, as these are policies that Sequoia very strictly implements into the school. For example, if you're a freshman wondering about the leaving campus policy, you'd click right here, and it would show you the policy and its layout. To the left of this section, you can see all access to other policies, and you could easily click on them if you would like to see another policy. Next to the Policies tab, we have the Resources tab. I found this the most important tab through my Sequoia High School experience. There are many important things you can access here, from Infinite Campus to the Library Media Center, which Ms. Snow, our librarian, has made for us as students to access information such as new sources, new books, and even teaching us how to cite sources. Last but not least, we have the Student Life tab. Sequoia encourages you, especially as an incoming freshman, to look into all these activities such as athletics, clubs, and even student activities such as ASB. This is definitely something you should look into as a student and consider joining. And that's how you navigate the Sequoia website.